Well, I must say it's raining, it's pouring. Okay. Yep. It's a rainy day for us. Yep. Watching me on Facebook and stuff like that. I don't know what that should be slowing down for. I don't know what that's all about, so forget that. Yeah, it's raining, it's pouring. Yes, indeed, y'all. Y'all know that's right. Uh huh. Well, I don't know what else to say though, but I'm saying is this: all this evilness that's going on in this world, just because it's raining right now like this, doesn't mean we gonna get a hurricane. Cause like I said, hurricanes come when they come. All this evilness that's going on in this world, y'all better take heed in life. Life is too short for all that evilness. Remember that. You know, y'all say I don't give a about this, I don't give a about that. Well, that's on you. You know. Or I got a text message. Well, I see what that's all about. Okay, so I'll see y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay. All right.